Hi, you today watching TF Test channel. It's my new channel. Will be I'm so the buying new Sony Xperia C4. It's fully working condition. It's not bad. It's good phone. I'm already one mobile is tested in the bendy test. It's the new phone and let's do this back in extreme firework test.
Guys, will see Sony Xperia C4 and its firework and its tape. Will be I'm setting the tape on this phone. Will it's time to tape on this phone. Will it's surrounding now. It's will be firework test and will wait guys. I'm setting the tape in my Sony Xperia C4. Okay guys, it's my favorite place and will Sony Xperia C4 it's this all working phone and it's taping here and we'll see the trees and hit time fire
And let's checking the firework test in brand new Sony Xperia C4. It's a new phone. I'm already one phone is the bender test. Easy to bend it in C4 will be I am checking the firework test. It's candle on it's now. Okay. Well, it's my Sony Xperia C4. It's recording to slow motion recording. It's not have a high level now. It's slow motion recording and will be it's using now.
guys will be I'm set the camera in the local method. Okay, we'll see the phone it's I'm gets fire candle now. It's let's do this. Wow. Okay, let's fire in. It's very high. It's higher now. Okay. Okay. Total 5. Okay. Okay. It's a heavier now. Oh. Okay. Total 5 fireworks is only force only shot us. Shit. The guys, phone is very harder. Oh shit. 4. It's a bender type same places. It's gone. Will you watch more firework test and etc. testers? You watch more videos. Please like and subscribe my channel and